Welcome to the latest episode of the Sam Jones Show, and today I'm showing you my newest project in Hopkins. So a little bit about this property. We actually got started with the repairs, and the subflooring was a lot worse than expected. We kind of went in knowing that one of the rooms on the far end of the house needed new joists and subflooring, but once we got in and opened it up, we discovered a lot more than expected. So as you can see here, we're basically reconstructing all of the joists and subflooring throughout the entire project. This will probably take about a week or so to put back together, but in the end, it'll definitely be well worth it. Stay tuned, see what it looks like in the next, I say 3 to 4 weeks. It's probably about 90 days out altogether.